All right, today we've got Valtteri Kekki from Miradore. Valtteri, appreciate you joining us today.
No worries, no worries. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So Valtteri, tell me what it is that you do at Miradore and what Miradore is really all about.
Myself, I'm the technical director here in Miradore. I'm responsible for the running our product development, and specifically my main focus recently has been on the Miradore Online, our EMM solution. And that then, as the name says, is an EMM solution. We offer MDM for free, so your basic security actions, get your device registry, have the ability to wipe your devices, configure a passcode there, configure them, configure email on there, and then we offer a 50-cent business plan. You get location tracking, and then we offer the enterprise plan, which, as the name says, is the EMM solution. So you get content delivery for Android devices, you get application management, black and white listing, as well as restrictions for the Samsung as well as the iOS platforms.
I see. And tell me, you must be, how crowded is this space and how do you differentiate yourself within that space?
We've actually been able to differentiate ourselves quite well. The free MDM has been a great driver to get us users. And after we get them, then we've had no problems keeping them. The main benefit with working with us, and you can ask anybody who is that we've got awesome support. We're not a huge operation. So say if you compare us to some of the big players, if you yourself are a smaller one, say our market focus is heavily on the MSPs, managed service providers, especially the medium-sized ones. And if you're one of them, you're not a huge player in the market. Good luck getting one of the big vendors in getting them to develop whatever you request. Now, us, on the other hand, our support works great. You send us a support request, we answer it, and it's not going to be just a template answer. We actually do answer it. And if you've got development requests, we can usually accommodate those too in a fairly nice fashion, in a good timeline.
Got it. All right. And talk to me in reference to your customer base. How big is it?
I don't know the exact number of customers, but there is upwards of 500,000 devices managed with our products in 140, 150 countries thereabouts.
Very cool. Very cool. And in terms of your pricing model, what does it cost? You can give us some information about that.
Yeah, as discussed, we offer free MDM. That's free for an unlimited number of devices, all the platforms, Android, iOS, Windows Phone,
right.
No worries. Mm-hmm. Now, the business plan where you get location tracking and the restrictions, 50 cents a device a month, no commitments, and the enterprise plan with the file deliveries, as well as the automatic configuration, as well as application management, that's $2 a device a month.
Okay. And for Miradore, you've got customers, like you said, all over the world. What is the most common feedback you get from your customers in terms of room for improvement? And what is Miradore doing about it?
Recently, we've been getting lots of requests, specifically on the Android platform, for getting a container there. Now, we hear this for the iOS as well, but Android seems to have been the driver. Get the container in there, separate the private data, separate the work data. And for that, we're actually right now in the final testing phase of Android Enterprise. So starting next week, if not next and the week after that, we should have that feature out for precisely this thing.
Okay, very cool. So if you were looking maybe 2 years out or 3 years out, how would you have a new set of offerings for your clients? And how do you see where do you see your company at?
We're moving towards unified endpoint management. That's the big thing. From the cloud, any device. If you look at our company history, we've now been discussing EMM, but we started now 11 years ago, so 2006, and our first product was IT systems management for managed service providers. Now, this EMM thing, we've been working now from the cloud for 3 years thereabouts, and now in our goal for 2017, 2018 is to unify these platforms, have a single platform for all of your devices, your mobiles, your desktops, your laptops, your network devices, manage them all from a single place.
Okay. Well, sounds like you're a great solution. How does somebody actually get a hold of you, and what's the sales process look like?
Well, if you want to start using the EMM, all you have to do is browse to our website, www.miradore.com. There are a bunch of friendly buttons there. Start right now.
Right.
No more than that. Give your name, your email address, your phone number. That's it. You've got your first device involved in less than 5 minutes. If you then want to try the other option, the management suite, just use the contact us button and one of our sales guys will be in touch.
Perfect. Perfect. Well, I learned quite a bit, and I hope that our audience does reach out to you to and learn more about Miradore and what it has to offer. And like you said, it's a very easy online sign-up process. If you're looking for more of an enterprise type of a solution, feel free to reach out to them. Thanks so much for your time today.
Hey, no worries, no worries. Like I said, thanks for having me. It's a great opportunity.
Absolutely.